When it comes to customer support, InMotion Hosting and A2 Hosting both claim to offer excellent service. But which one truly delivers when you need help? Stick around because we're going to break it down and compare these two to see which one stands out and which might leave you frustrated. First off, let's talk about response time. InMotion Hosting boasts 24/7 customer support with live chat, phone support, and email. They promise quick responses, but how quick are we talking? Well, their live chat tends to be relatively fast, with agents typically responding within a few minutes. However, the quality of answers can sometimes be hit or miss, with some customers reporting longer wait times when the issue is more complex. On the other hand, A2 Hosting also offers 24/7 support, and their live chat is generally responsive, though users often mention that it can take a bit longer during peak hours. However, A2 Hosting does have the edge here in terms of speed, with many reporting quicker response times compared to InMotion. Next thing we need to discuss is the expertise and effectiveness of the support teams. InMotion support agents are typically knowledgeable, but again, it's not always guaranteed. When your issue needs technical assistance, some users have found that the agents can struggle with complex problems. A2 Hosting, however, has a strong reputation for offering solid technical support, particularly when it comes to handling intricate server-related issues. Customers have mentioned that A2 support is often more hands-on, and they seem to understand their products at a deeper level, giving them an advantage in terms of expertise. The third thing to consider is availability. Both InMotion Hosting and A2 Hosting offer 24/7 support, but it's worth noting that InMotion support has been criticized for being slower during off-peak hours, especially when dealing with escalated issues. This can be a huge issue if you're facing an urgent problem outside of typical business hours. A2 Hosting, by contrast, has been praised for having more consistent availability, even during the late hours, and it's often easier to get a hold of someone when you need them the most. The fourth thing we need to look at is self-help resources. InMotion Hosting provides a decent knowledge base and educational resources, but some customers feel like there's room for improvement. It's not always the easiest to navigate, and while they have a community forum, it doesn't compare to what A2 Hosting offers. A2's knowledge base is incredibly comprehensive and easy to use, making it a go-to for users who want to solve issues on their own without having to contact support. Now, let's talk about overall customer satisfaction. While both companies receive mixed reviews, it's clear that A2 Hosting tends to come out on top in this area. InMotion Hosting certainly has its loyal fanbase, but user complaints about inconsistent support and longer wait times have raised concerns. A2 Hosting is often praised for being more proactive in resolving issues and providing detailed troubleshooting steps. That said, both services still have room for improvement when it comes to support consistency. To wrap up, both InMotion Hosting and A2 Hosting offer solid customer support, but A2 edges out InMotion in terms of response time, technical expertise, and availability. If you're someone who needs more hands-on, reliable support, A2 might be the better option for you. But after trying both of them myself, I have to recommend another option if your goal is getting consistent and effective customer support. There's a better alternative out there for those seeking top-tier support with fewer headaches. Check out the free trial through the first link in the description below, where you'll get exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. It's a chance to experience customer support that goes above and beyond, without the hassle. Don't miss out.